How to clone any app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In here, scroll down and click on Utilities. After you've clicked on Utilities, you will find Parallel Apps option. Click on Parallel. In some Android device, you will find Clone Apps option as well. Click on Parallel Apps. Now you'll find different apps. Simply click on one of the apps to clone. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you have done that, you will find Cloned App on your device. As you can see, I cloned Discord and I have two options for Discord. This is how to clone any app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.